it's your girl Aiyana, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never seen my face before. So we're here with another vlog. Donnie, why do you do that? We are here at the airport. Obviously, that's literally the only time that I ever vlog things is when I travel. We are on the way to Savannah, Georgia. My little sister is graduating college, and we're out of focus, and we're out of focus, and okay, we're back. Damn, I remember when I graduated college, and now she's graduating college. Anyways, we made it. We just ordered, I don't know where my boyfriend went, some barbecue that we're just gonna take to the gate because our flight leaves in about 20 minutes or so. This is our first trip.
Our first trip together. This one's going down in the books.
You're supposed to keep your mask on.
I'm sorry.
To Atlanta reference. Have you seen the Justin Bieber movie? The Justin Bieber movie when he's like ATL shawty. Every time I come to Atlanta I think of that. We have like a 2-hour layover. We're at TGI Fridays getting something to drink, and then we'll be on the way to Savannah. We made it here, we're safe, we got our masks. Oh, it's auto, like you see how it's falling?
The autofocus. Look at that.
We'll see when we get our food. Good morning from Tybee Island. I could have finished the vlog yesterday. By the time we got to Georgia, to our final destination, it was already like super dark outside, so I figured I'd pick up when it was bright and daylight so y'all could see things. You know, we are up and ready. It is 9:38 a.m. We are about to be on the way to my mom and dad's retirement home. It's about an hour and a half away from where we are now. We're just gonna see what progress is being made because it's in the process of being remodeled completely. We're on the way to see that, and then I'll give you a tour of our little beach house and take you along all the adventures. So the front of the house. Dad, Donnie, Riri.
I'm about to fight a fly.
This is a active construction site. Oh wait, what's this?
Bathroom.
Oh, so you can get to the bathroom from here?
Yeah.
Everything is completely gutted. It's so crazy to see. This is the real country. I took pictures here. It looks so much more like darker. So much more darker. Okay, grammar. Little pond. There's another pond back yonder. Apparently they made a ton of progress on the house since even yesterday my parents came. It's looking good. It's looking good. I can't wait to see what it turns out to be because before it was a little dusty. It was a little crusty. The little pond. It's a little green, but that's okay. It's man-made, right, Dad? It's man-made, Pa. Super exciting to actually be able to walk a site. This is somewhere that we'll probably be spending a lot of time in the future. Let's see if Donnie is fit for the country life. Oh, wait. Wait. Whew. Whoa. We are at my sister's apartment. It's the first time I've ever seen it. Ever.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
How nice.
Target practice?
Target practice?
Yeah, the little mannequin looks like they'd be throwing knives when they're selling for darts.
It's probably fashion design.
It's my sister and my boyfriend.
Your brother?
My sister's boyfriend.
Hello. Wow. No decor. No decor. It's pretty nice. Pretty large, pretty spacious. My student living experience was not as nice, I will say. Her apartments are a little more... Here, Donnie, here's some Q-tips.
Sweet.
Yeah, she definitely has a bit of an upgrade than what I had. Oh my gosh, how'd you make friends so fast? Hello! Don't be extra.
Yeah. the beach.
We're at the
I've
beach.
been waiting for this for months.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best this vibe, I never think that you will.
How does it feel?
You feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? I guess.
She is a graduate. Well, almost graduate. We are on the way to my little sister's graduation. Class 2021. Wow.
To the beach, let's go get away. I don't expect a lot from you. All these students, they don't know how to dress. Yeah, we're all good.
Chilling, ain't got no time.
Didn't I drive myself to my own graduation?
I was with you.
Yeah, but I drove myself. What? What?
Gang.
I am embarrassed. I'm embarrassed.
It's hot as hell.
It's hot as the heck.
Yeah, you can walk with that?
It's hot.
We would like to congratulate all that are graduating today.
They all go work at Disney when they graduate.
You've got a friend in me.
Yep, I told you they're gonna be working at Disney.
You just remember what your old pal said.
She gave me chills. Look at my legs. She can sing.
Welcome to the School of Digital Media presentation of degrees.
Yeah!
I want to congratulate all students in animation, interactive and game design, design, visual effects, and immersive reality, who have worked so long and so hard to achieve this goal.
Ariane Lee Weaver.
She said, I will make no eye contact. Yeah, she did it, y'all. A woman of the world.
A woman of the world.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah.
A graduate. How do you feel?
I feel like I'm sweating.
And that's about it.
Yeah, that's about it.
It was so hot. They had us sitting outside in the Georgia heat. What is it? Huh? So now we're at this Cuban restaurant. This is a place that my sister wanted to take us.
Here we are.
Here we are.
You can get some sunscreen.
But somehow, I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk.
We finished eating. We're back at the beach house now. I wanted to give y'all a little bit of a house tour because I think this house is like super cute and beachy. It's super quaint and cute. I'm going to show you where we've been staying the past couple days. We're only here another 2 nights. It's still pretty clean. Obviously, it's been a little lived in, but so we're staying in this Inlet Breeze rental in Tybee Island. This is what the house looks like. White picket fence type of moment. Super private. We are like on the strip, so it's like walking distance from food places, bars. Like we're right across the street from the beach. Nice front porch. We've been coming out here every single night and just hanging out on the front porch. This is what the front entrance looks like. This is where me and Donnie are staying. Donnie's over here. This is where we've been sleeping. Cute little room. This is where my sister has been sleeping in that bed there. Obviously this one's still a little made up and her stuff is on here. She has a nice sized room as well. Some art and a little electric fireplace. A little entryway console with complimentary beach towels. This is our little living area. Over on this side is the kitchen. This sassy fish I think is so funny, I don't know. In here, the bathroom that me, my sister, and my boyfriend use. I literally cannot see in this mirror that well. Walking out of here, you go into this little like sitting room with my dad, and it has like a little bar area, a little covered patio out here. There's a little barbecue. Oh, the sitting room is where my parents are staying. Yeah, remember what?
Don't put it on camera. Look at it.
Oh my gosh! Mom! I knew you burned, but dang. Their bathroom, pretty similar, except this mirror's a bit lower, which I like. And then in here, a washer and dryer, and then this door leads to our bathroom that we're using. That is the house. I think it's super cute. I think we're gonna head back to Savannah in a few, so I'll take you along with us while we go explore Savannah. Donnie has never been to Georgia, period, so we're just gonna go explore, meet up with a couple people, probably. You'll see. We are on River Street right now, just walking around. Everyone's just walking around, living their life. We picked up my mom's friend and her 2 daughters. Hello, hello. That's Anaya and Deja.
Deja said she's been here before.
The only thing that matters. Shawty did who?
You know that song by DDG and Koi something?
Coila Ray?
Yeah.
Nope. I know the and the That's all I know. Never seen a squirrel this close. Ah! He's drunk.
My daughter said he's drunk. He's trying to get a bag.
I look
Beautiful.
I look like I'm on the marijuana, but I'm not, y'all. Trust me, I'm not. We've been out in the sun all day. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen it. We're back at the house now. We walked around River Street for a little while. Ate like a couple of chicken wings. They were not that great. No, literally, they were like
$12 for some lightly seasoned oven baked wings.
You heard what they said there? So we went to Wet Willie's on River Street
We did
in
there like
Savannah.
7:40, right?
And we asked like how long is the wait to eat, because we were gonna go to Huey's, which every time I'm in Savannah I've eaten at. Huey's had a long wait, like an hour, 2 hours, and so we went to Wet Willie's. They said, oh, about 15-minute wait, bet. And they say, oh, your table's ready, it's 8 o'clock. And then they want to say, does everyone have their IDs, because we don't let anyone in under 21 after 8 o'clock. Well, you should have told us. We've been waiting here since 7:30 and you're now telling us that, oh, just because we've been waiting? Huh? Donnie got me this, I don't even know what this is, little rose. It's not an actual rose, obviously. I don't know what it's made out of, some kind of cane. Did she say?
You know those like long blades of grass?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, the bushes.
She said if I put hairspray on it, it lasts a while. I'm just gonna end the vlog for the day. I'll pick up tomorrow. We'll have like a full beach day. Tomorrow's our last full day here in Georgia, and then we're back to San Antonio. I will see y'all in the AM.
Yeah, it's red as shit.
Hello all, it is the next day. That was like a very Remy thing to say. Hey y'all, it is the next day. Yeah, y'all is more me. It is currently 2:16 p.m. We are dressed and ready. Me and Donnie are literally sitting outside on the front porch because we're waiting for everybody. Disregard my hair, it'll fluff up. Oh no ma'am. Oh no ma'am, you cannot park here. So it's Saturday, and since this morning people have been like piling into Tybee Island. People are trying to park in front of the house. No, you cannot park here. This is like private property.
I saw one spot for $20 though.
Donnie did sell one spot for $20. Except somebody else parked there too. My dad and my sister left early this morning because my sister still has to pack her apartment. She's actually moving back to Colorado with my parents for a little while. My parents are moving from Colorado in August, so then my mom left to go wash and vacuum out my sister's car, well, technically her car, and go pick up her friend. We're going to hang out at the beach because it's our last day. Also eat. They're making etouffee and boiled shrimp. Super excited about that.
And definitely contract. We're going to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Huh? Like, what are you speaking? That pigeon? And the calls just keep on coming. It's been like this literally all day. There's my dad! My dad! 10 pounds of shrimp! We are at the beach now. My eyelashes are like flying off. Teresa, Anaya, Deasia, my mom, my sister, Donnie is up here. I don't even know where Donnie went. Oh, he's over there. That's Donnie. And Donnie. We're just gonna chill out for a while. We're back at the house. Look at what's ready. We got some crawfish etouffee. If you know, you know. Some rice for the etouffee. And we're probably gonna eat out on the little covered patio. We had pizza on the beach, but that was literally like a snack. My eyelashes are off. They're out in the ocean. All the food is ready. We're excited to eat. We're just gonna eat and just hang out with each other, enjoy each other's company. Margarita. I've been drinking like this whole time. It's inevitable. I go on a trip, I drink, I have a day off, I drink. This is like first course, and then we're gonna have etouffee.
Somebody got me a Modelo Chelada. If you ain't knowing about these, they're fire.
Wow.
It's hitting?
It's a Creole in me.
Yeah.
Sausage, corn, shrimp, potatoes. It's great. And just like that, y'all, we are home. We've been up since 3 o'clock this morning. Me and Donnie got sandwiches and we're taking our showers and we're about to lay down for a little while. Not too excited to be home, but I feel like this trip was needed. It was very short and sweet, but I got to see my family. I don't typically get to see my family too often. It was a proud sister moment to see my sister walk across the stage. She didn't have a high school graduation. She got her diploma in the mail because she didn't want all that extra stuff. And my parents have 2 college graduates. We had fun and now we're back to reality. Love that for us. But anyways, love you guys. Let me know what y'all want to see next from me. I have a couple of things planned, but let me know what y'all want to see. I'm about to go shower and take my ass to the bed. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a